there, this is your news. It simmers in Angus. You hate to get yourself along to it. It's ace.
Are you excited to see Paris Paloma? My name's been Claire, I'm from Original 106. Thank you for putting up with my patter today, let's just call it that, and let me welcome to the stage, Paris Paloma!
Mine's in to shoot a drap, turning out year after year, boots on and wet weather gear, the strang ains, with fears swallowed down to keep haud the bearings.
To be loved through each compromise, question or prayer.
Edinburgh, the best city in England by far. Oh, Edinburgh, where every sentence ends in a...
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Carmy Barnes. I'm incredibly grateful for getting invited to play the first ever Summer End Festival. Please give a round of applause to the beautiful organisers, because they have done an incredible job.